Hi all, welcome to another unboxing video. This time I bought a Peugeot 205 GTI Griffer from Bok.com. It's going to be a custom built project for a customer of me. He wants his own car getting replicated. The model is nicely packed. The model I am using for this build is a 1/18 scale from Norev. The only must-have was a sliding sunroof and a griff interior. The rest of the car is going to be modified to his exact specs. It's a die-cast model and the other options are from plastic. It's nicely detailed and it comes with a nice display stand, which I can use later on in the build. And did you subscribe already? You help me a lot when you subscribe, like, share or comment. I am at 1400 subscribers now, so big thanks for everyone who already did. So, let's take it off the stand and look what we are working with. When I was about 16 years old, a 205 GTI was the car I want to have when I had my driving license. So it's a special car to me also. I had a lot of cars in my life, but never owned a 205 GTI. Do I regret it? Yes, I do. Nowadays they are getting really expensive, so the chance if I ever own one is zero. As you can see, the car comes with nice details, a nice paint job, not as detailed as like an auto art model, but for around 60 euros you got a nice model from the all-time loved hothatch. The car has opening doors, an opening bonnet with a highly detailed engine bay. It comes with a detailed dashboard too, but no real carpet on the floor or real leather seats. So I'm going to change that later on. The car even comes with working suspension and steering. If it will stay, I don't know yet. The car has to be lowered to look more like the customer's 205. So, if you want to see how this build is going, please subscribe, like, share or comment. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.